Yeah, it's edited in some way, but even some people are just like, I heard a weird noise. No, it's fine. Well, hello everyone. Today, from my living room again. And you may ask why. Because the studio is literally a construction site at the moment. I'm building literally a cabin inside the studio, and it makes a lot of fun. And yes, today's video is again, after the last proper video, very personal, very casual, and honestly very real. So, after coming back from rehab because of the migraine and hypochondriac and psychosomatic stuff, I looked for inspiration. And now I'm sitting at home with my camera, a lot of coffee nowadays, and this terrible question inside my head: what do I do next? And I came to the conclusion that it isn't work in a typical way. Because if you go back to work after being left sick for so long, still left sick, you just don't start going full into work again, especially not when you don't know where to start again and come back to the same problem again as before rehab. So when I was lying in bed like a broken IKEA lamp, I didn't want to pick up a camera. I picked up my phone and my MacBook, and I went on YouTube and stuff like that and looked for inspiration and maybe an idea what to do next. And I looked at a lot of other creators like Typical Thing, Casey Neistat, Peter McKinnon, Lucy Pierce, smaller creators like Graincheck, Tatiana Hopper, and people like that. And I thought to myself, this is good. I watch this stuff all the time. And this is why I started a YouTube channel. A lot of that, especially the vlogging part, is very personal, very human, very real.
Very demure, very considerate, very approachable, very demure.
Even though it's kind of edited and only shown a few parts of it. And yes, and that spark came back again. So, I did the most logical thing. I'm starting a second channel with just vlogging. It's called The Mental Vlog. Already 8 episodes online here, and I think since Tuesday there should be like maybe every day, but it would be the goal for July. Yeah, a video will come out. Behind the scenes, personal stuff, mental health stuff, all the things that should not have so much place in here. You know, taking away the pressure for having a cinematic, proper, well edited, thoughtful, really heavy work behind it, proper videos, more like monochromatic, everyday stuff, like the 2 big vlogs I did where I filmed every day and put it in one big video. And yes, I just hope it will bring back my creativity. You know, it's basically kind of therapy for me, but on YouTube. Some days I talk about ideas, some days I talk about what triggers me, some days you will just see footage of a dog, a very cute dog. I mean, inspiration isn't always like going for like the most epic shot, going to Dubai, doing that, doing fancy stuff. I do especially not do that. But other creators do, and they have these fancy lives. But I like showing, as I told in videos before, like this broke on a budget, broken, mentally ill guy that's some kind of struggling but doing his thing, and maybe just sitting there getting inspiration from a photo book he got for his birthday back in May. Stuff like that. And while watching such things, I thought, why do I not create my own thing there in such way, especially giving me myself the permission to do something like that with my vision behind it. So, if you've been stuck, tired, or have migraine or anything else, just are a small creator. You can check out my new channel. It's called The Mental Vlog. Link down below. Have fun, like, comment and subscribe if you want to. Until the next video, goodbye. And you will actually see in the vlog that I recorded this video 2 times and I probably said 2 widely different things, but I forgot to activate the microphone. Yeah, but it is what it is.